So I didn't see too many videos on removing the kickstand, so I'm gonna make this video firsthand. I guess you can see this will give you firsthand on how to remove the kickstand. Alright, 2 bolts. Actually, there's 3 bolts. There's one in here as well. This should come off unless I'm missing another screw. But there it goes. And that's it. That's the how to take off the kickstand. Pretty seamless. You're looking at 6 screws altogether. I also forgot to mention that when you remove the bumper, nothing's really impacted, right? I think with the older versions, when you remove the rear kickstand, it actually removed this panel and it left the wires exposed. However, this leaves it intact, so no issues there.